Another tornado warning. There we go.
All right.
What's it for?
So let's go over here to Jefferson County, Wisconsin, where they continue that tornado warning.
Walworth?
Jefferson, Rock, and Walworth.
Northeastern Rock County,
Rock?
South Central
You have to be
Wisconsin,
taking shelter
Oh.
in
Jefferson?
out here for the next 1 hour. It's going to go all the way up there towards
6:39
Helenville.
p.m. A severe
in
thunderstorm
Walk.
capable of producing a tornado is located near Whitewater, moving northeast at 35
Oh,
miles
no.
an hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size.
Oh!
Source, weather spotters
Rotation over here
reported
is
funnel
approaching
cloud.
Battle Creek. Still no
Impact.
report of a
Flying
tornado
debris
down
will
or
be
anything
dangerous
like
to
that.
those
Still radar
caught without
indicated
shelter.
rotation, but it's
Mobile homes will
broad
be
and
damaged or destroyed.
it's strong
Damage
rotation.
to roofs,
So that's why
windows,
we're
and
encouraging
vehicles
everybody to
will
take shelter
occur.
over here.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, and Lake Koshkonong around 6:45 p.m. Palmyra around 6:50 p.m.
You can kind of see it coming in
Other
over here. Battle
locations
Creek,
impacted by this
Michigan Virtual
tornadic
Rail Fan.
thunderstorm include Rome,
Camera.
Sullivan, Hebron, Axonia, Helenville, Lima Center, National Weather Service Milwaukee, Sullivan, and Lake
But there's
LaBelle.
108,000 people
Take
in this
cover
warning
now.
right now.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.